A well played final. Congrats, Fresh Food, for dethroning the previous edition champions. Gunners won it the first time, but hard luck on losing it for the second season. But all credit to Fresh Food for pulling it off in the end. Congrats, guys. First of all, let me start with thanking our sponsors, J7 Sports and Arma Sterling Perfumes, who have been of great support throughout these 3 years which we have had. So thanks to both the sponsors. Again, guys, congrats to each and every player who has played the Summer League, because I know 6 o'clock is not an easy time to come out of your workplaces, but yes, in the end we all love the game. That's the bottom line. So thanks to each and every player for making it and making this 6 o'clock Summer Cup a real possibility for us. Thank you, guys. Starting with the man of the match of the final, there were some excellent performances with the ball. Shinto, excellent performance with the ball and with the bat. Sufed, again, you actually gave the peep-in after that sluggish start what your team had with 3 for 32. Again, Moideen, 3 overs, 1 maiden, 2 for 18. And Azhar, no credit taken away, guys. 66 not out. He's the one who built that innings. And again, 72 runs in the power play by Fresh Food actually dented the confidence out for Gunners. Well played, Fresh Food. But man of the match, it's none of them. For his 6 catches today, it's the first time we've taken a decision. For 6 catches. And it's the first time we are giving a man of the match to the fielder for his tremendous performance on the field. Sriraj KS of Fresh Food.
Come on, man. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಪ್ಪುಡ್ತ ನನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಲ್ಲ
भाई पीछे से
Going into the best individual players of the tournament in each and every department. Firstly, starting with the best bowler of Unicorn Summer Bash Season 2 with a total of 17 wickets at an economy of 7.32. The old warrior, Shafeel Kewar.
like
The next award is for the best batsman of the tournament. It's good to see my good buddy getting it with a total of 332 runs at an average of 55.33 and a strike rate of 161.17 from his 7 matches. Moideen Khalid of Fresh Food.
ഇഷ്ടല്ല ഇഷ്ടല്ല കപ്പ് വാങ്ങാൻ ഇഷ്ടമില്ലാത്ത ആള് ഹലോ അടിപൊളി പോയി നിൽക്കാം
The next award is for the best fielder of the tournament. With a total of 7 catches from his 6 matches, the skipper of 11th Brigade, Suhail Bilal. See here. Next award is something which I don't have to say because he's retaining his award from season 1. With 10 catches, 5 stumpings and 1 run out, that's a total of 16 from his 7 matches. Saju Varghese of Gunners. The next award is for the player of the tournament. As a custom, we always follow of mentioning the top 3 of the tournament. So starting at number 3 is Aziz Ansari from KMCC with an aggregate of 40.18. At number 2 with an aggregate of 46.41 was Moideen Khalid. But the player of the tournament, beating his own teammate by a marginal point, is Shafil K. Wahab of Freshfood.
ഒന്നും അറിയാത്ത പോലെ അവരുടെ മരുന്ന് വഴിക്ക്
He has a pet name called Pavangalda Shemon. Well played, Shafil bhai. A much deserved award. Can I request the skipper of Gunners to join me, please? Saju, you have been asked by your team to come and join me, please. Okay, rise. Okay, I'm not stretching it much. Hard luck. I know everyone would be upset of not retaining the championship, but you guys, I don't have much words, but it was a miraculous comeback into the final. At one stage you were almost out, but you guys had other plans. What was that, and what do you have to say to your team about today's loss, as well as to Fresh Food about the way they played?
Fresh Food has played outstanding today, and they had outplayed us on all the departments. And especially, we need to congrats to them, and we'll make sure that we'll come back strong in the upcoming tournament. And thank you so much for your support, and we'll keep supporting the Unicorn. And it was a great honor to play with them. Thank you. Boys, just put your chin up and shoulder up, and make sure that we'll retain the first championship again. Thank you.
Guys, just one thing what I want to mention to you as well as your boys. The last game what you guys played was one of the best chases which we have seen, as well as the game before that as well. It was a do or die game for you guys. You know, guys, Gunners, I'm telling it out of my own heart today. that you guys have to hold your heads up because you guys have made it to the finals in a royal way. So you guys are also champions within your own rights. Okay, guys? Thanks, Rais. Can I request you to receive the runners-up trophy as well as the medals on behalf of your team, please?
Raju,
Saju, can you just join to receive the trophy?
please, teammates.
Can I request the captain of Fresh Food, Buggy?
ക്യാപ്റ്റനോട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ചോദിക്കണേ.
Okay, Buggy, I'm not stretching it much as well again, yeah.
നമ്പർ മാറില്ല.
It has been an excellent effort from your boys throughout the final. You guys had a good bunch of players who have been playing for quite some time together. You guys were convincingly into the finals, except for that one last match headache what you had. But I cannot say it's a headache, but again, that was still a crucial match for you. What do you want to say to Gunners, because you have dethroned them from the championship, as well as to your boys about today's game?
Thank you. Hi guys. Good evening. Thank you very much for supporting us. First of all, I have to say like that. Seriously, Gunners have come back. It's very strongly. I never expected we can hold this cup. I'm sure, still I am excited because I never expected we can able to lift this cup. And once again, I have to say thank you for my teammates. And if I am talking about Gunners, they come back very strongly. Nobody expected they will be in the final, but really amazing players. Like all the area they played, all the area they batted, fielding, everything excellence. From our side, we fighted well. And from our side, I have to say our players also, because the main 6 catches had taken by Sriraj, it was excellent. So I have to thank you all the teammates. We will continue like this. We are expecting some more cups in our table. Thank you very much.
Well said, Buggy. Okay, I'm not holding you much. I know you might be waiting to take the trophy now. So can I request you to receive the winner's trophy and the medals on behalf of your team, please? The champions of Unicorn Summer Cup Season 2, Fresh Food, Pulses and Spices. Thank you guys, and that's it from the presentation. Congrats to the winners. Hard luck to Gunners. Better luck next time. Thank you.